First things first is to shut the hopper and then grind off any coffee inside of the machine. This should take about 10 to 20 seconds. We then remove the hopper by rotating it anti-clockwise until the screen turns off. We then take the hex screw and unscrew, but not entirely, just loosen off the screws. We rotate the inside collar anti-clockwise. We take the rubber clump crusher, give it a wipe, but don't use water. We use the skinny brush just to take out any excess coffee in the chute. Using a screwdriver, just spin the burrs anti-clockwise, give things a little brush inside, and use the skinny brush again. We loosen the 3 screws with the hex wrench. We rotate it clockwise until you can lift up the static burr. Using our skinny brush, we clean down the side of the burrs and we rotate it just to get rid of any excess coffee inside the burr chamber. To reassemble, you take the stationary burr, line up the holes, and just make sure that you're going down nice and straight. Rotate counterclockwise, tighten the screws. We put the clump crushers back in, rubber goes first, and then the metal is towards the middle. We put the lid back on with the Mahlkönig facing the back or at 12 o'clock. You then rotate the collar clockwise until it engages, and then tighten back up with the hex screw. Do one side loosely, second side loosely, and then go back and just give it a small tighten. We put the hopper back in with the slider towards the back, making sure it's lined up, and then we rotate clockwise until you feel it squeeze in and the light turns back on. We then remove the chute, just give that a quick wipe with a dry cloth and re-engage, and then remove the bottom tray, giving this a quick brush, making sure there's no coffee interrupting the scale, and then reassemble.